I'm sorry, guys. Sorry. I forgot something. I explained to you how to build a bot and how to build a scalping bot and make money, but I forgot to tell you how to create an actual file from the Python file you made. And it's not that hard to do, but I forgot to explain how you should do it. So look at me, and it's quite easy to do. It's just a simple few steps, and then you're done. And when you're in PyCharm, you can use it, and you can do it in the command com also. If you have the command com, you can also do it in command com, but if you want to do it in PyCharm, also good. In PyCharm, you go to the down left corner, bottom left corner, and then you go to the terminal. Press on the terminal, yes. Then you got to do first the PyInstaller. So what you need to do is type in pip, P-I-P, install PyInstaller. That's it. Press enter. Then the installer will install itself. I have already done it, so that's what you're looking at. And then the next step you're going to do is to type PyInstaller --one file, and that's important that you type --one file, as in it only should be one file at the end and not multiple files. And then main py as the py you started your application. So this means the file which contains the name main. That file you need to check, and in this case, in my case, it's the main.py, but if you have another py name with another name of the file, doesn't, as long as it contains the starting point of your file. That's the main part. If you do so, you press enter again. Then they will keep on doing stuff into making a file from it. It will take several seconds, less than a minute, depending on how large your file is. But that's what it is. And then, come on. Yes, search for directories. There are extra directories. Then you have two new. Yes, thank you. Then you have two new files in your overview of all your files. You see there's now new build, and there is a dist. So there are two new folders in your folder structure, and you need to have the one with dist, and in the dist you find your main.exe file, and that is the exe file you can use as the main start point of your program. So it's a handy. Don't use this for distribution commercially, because sometimes Python files will be detected as a virus, and you don't want to have a virus. So, but if you want to use it for yourself, you created a program and you want to use it for yourself, then yeah, why not create an exe file from it, like I did from my bot, and then use it. I hope that was it for you. If you did, if you like it, press like, and else have fun.